To news overseas now, the World Health Organization, WHO, now says some human-to-human transmission may have occurred on board a cruise ship hit by the Hantavirus outbreak that has left 3 people dead and several others ill. The ship left Argentina last month on a voyage across the Atlantic Ocean, stopping off at some of the world's most remote islands. We have the details from the CNN.
I'm currently on board the MV Hondius, and what's happening right now is very real for all of us here.
A terrifying reality for almost 150 people, including 17 Americans, stranded on a cruise ship off the coast of West Africa. Strict health and safety procedures are currently in place, including isolation measures, hygiene protocols, and medical monitoring.
We're not just a story. We're not just headlines. We're people.
The World Health Organization says they have confirmed 2 cases of hantavirus, with 5 more suspected. 3 people, a Dutch couple and German national, have died. While the disease is commonly transmitted from rodent to human, one variant found in Argentina and Chile does transfer human to human.
We do know that some of the cases have had very close contact with each other, and certainly human-to-human transmission can't be ruled out.
Right now, health authorities are working to evacuate the 2 symptomatic crew members so they can receive proper medical care. Contact tracing has also begun to track possible exposure.
Based on the current information and what we know about previous outbreaks, WHO assesses the overall risk to the public as low.
As for the ship, it will soon sail to the Canary Islands, where Spanish authorities will conduct a full epidemiological investigation and full disinfection.
All we want right now is to feel safe, to have clarity, and to get home.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports right after this break.